Can you believe we have less than 75 days left in this year? I can't. It's gone so fast. But the question is, how will you use those last few months of the year and why does it matter? Most agents coast into the holidays or scramble to throw a few more deals in at the very end. But neither of these strategies, if you will, set you up for a great next year. So let's talk about how to maximize the 75 days that are left in this year that sets you up for success. Real estate at the very heart of the business is a relationship business. It is not just a transactional business. I think of it like a financial planner or an estate attorney or a CPA. You're going to a real estate professional to buy or sell a home, a house, one of the biggest assets you will probably invest in your lifetime. You want to not only know that this person is competent, but be able to place your trust in them. And trust isn't built on the internet. Trust is a back and forth, real, genuine relationship built over time through multiple conversations on the phone, face to face, over a meal. These interactions are what help us put our faith and trust in our advisors and our professionals that we choose to transact with in our lifetime, making these big decisions, whether it's investing or your own personal home or a home for your child or a loved one, or even a friend that you would recommend. Relationships are the heart of our business. I was coaching a client yesterday and he said that he had a great year and he was really pleased, but he would really like to get one or two more transactions before the year ends. And I asked him, well, what strategies are you doing? And I asked him how many people he had in his database. So he told me he had 500 people in his database, but what he shared was that these were basically internet leads that were getting a monthly email from him. And that's great. Nothing wrong with any of that. That's amazing. But then I dug deeper and I said, okay, of those 500 people, how many would you actually pick up the phone and talk to? Like you know them and they know you. And he said 15. That number told me a lot. So my first piece of advice was to spend some time calling those 15 and nurturing that relationship. Just asking, how are you? How's life? What's new? Did you go on any trips this year? What's up for next year? What do you have planned? These are the conversations and the investment in relationships that leads to future business, possibly from that person or possibly a referral. 99% of the time, when you are talking to someone and asking about their life, they will in turn ask you about yours. There are the occasional egomaniacs that will not, and that's fine. They're probably not your client, and that's okay. But most people will genuinely turn it back over and go, what about you? What are you up to? And that's your opportunity to share, man, I'm really enjoying the real estate business. Things are growing, or the market's doing this, or whatever you feel like sharing that's genuine and true and authentic to you. So that was my advice to my coaching client was keep on doing your 500 emails. That's awesome. Like keep that going. I call that automation. Like we want that running in the background. But then I encouraged him to choose the people that he can actually get on the phone with or go have coffee with or go have a lunch with and connect. Because again, real estate is a relationship business. The second thing I coached my client on yesterday was growing his database. It's great that he has the 500, what I'm going to call cold leads, but 15 of those are only the number that he has the know, like, and trust factor going on. He needs to grow that 15 to probably several hundred to meet the business goals that he shared with me. So that is a key component to increasing the number of people that he can actually connect with, pick up the phone with, and have those business relationship conversations with. So that's a key component in my coaching. And if you're looking for a coach to help you grow your database and keep you accountable and on track, I do have two options for that. So definitely comment below or send me a message and we can chat about that too. Remember, people are going to remember how much you cared, how much you genuinely asked about their lives, how much you wanted to share something helpful or valuable to them. They're not going to care that you're the top salesperson or you sold this many houses this year or you made this much money. That's about you. They want to know what you feel and care about them. Those genuine conversations, those coffees, those lunches, those are going to go a long way further than the email, than the postcard, than the passive touch where you didn't really get a chance to invest time into that other person. So if you're looking to grow your business in the coming year, here's my challenge to you. Pick a number. Is it 5? Is it 10? Is it 25? Is it 50 conversations a week? What do you choose to commit to now through the end of the year? How many personal conversations will you have every single week? Drop the number in the comments below because I'm going to be here cheering you on. I know that this is an amazing skill to master and to really enjoy your business more. Having great conversations with people you like is fun. It actually makes our business more fun. And whether you're in real estate or another form of sales, this is a key component to building and nurturing those relationships over the long time. That's what our goal is. This is not a flash in the pan, quick business. We are in this for years. We want to be that trusted professional that people go to for many, many years and refer their friends and family to as well. So let me know in the comments how many conversations per week you are committing to, and I will definitely be cheering you on.